Northport takes the top spot of the standings, clinching win number 6 against Eastern. Congratulations, Coach Bonnie Tan, and our player of the game, Arvin Tolentino. Coach Bonnie, bumalik na naman ngayong gabi ang inyong depensa that you have taken so much pride in. Kaya nakatakbo kayo and you were able to play your transition game. Ano ba ang mga naging focus nyo on defense kaya na-disrupt yung flow at yung magandang opensa ng Eastern?
Basically, we took advantage of yung Hong Kong team na they just came from a game sa Hong Kong. So, we outrun them. Na-recover ulit namin yung transition points namin. And yung assist department namin as a team, nag-step up ulit.
Thank you, Coach. Arvin, you seem to have enjoyed yourself tonight, outsmarting Eastern, especially with the way that you drew fouls. How much of a challenge was it for you going up against Eastern tonight? And was there anything different in your usual approach?
It's always fun, no? Pag siyempre iba yung kapag dayo yung kalaban mo, or when you play outside the country. Meron laging factor yung talagang may yung gusto mong manalo. And that's what happened today. And I'm happy na maganda yung nilaro ko ngayon. And yun na, I try to just really outsmart. Every game naman, yun yung approach ko. And yeah, I guess, yun nga, may advantage din kami kasi naglaro din sila sa sa EASL the other day. Then turn around, so
Yung medyo